Good morning! Yay! Yay, 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 yay! Did everyone see before I came on?
Wow. Hello.
Hey, Ryan.
So I see there's a lot of you here today. I see a lot of highs and hellos. So I'm very excited to see all of you today. And I can't really see all of you. So I see all of you writing in the chat boxes to my left. So I've the chat box here. I want all of you guys to kind of go and write stuff in for me, because that'll help me a lot to know what you guys are thinking. So welcome you to TANQ Gakusha. So everyone must be wondering what TANQ Gakusha is. So TANQ Gakusha here is I'm not sure how many people are actually abroad, but I'm gonna ask you guys later. But TANQ Gakusha here is in Tokyo. So everyone knows Tokyo, yes?
Yes.
Yay, Tokyo. So we're in Tokyo, kind of west of Tokyo, and we have we'll say it's a school. But it's a school for everybody to be kind of more open about things, more about discovery, and kind of learn about themselves, right? So this today is not like a lesson, because you all know that lessons are like boring
ones.
and not really the most fun. But today, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, whoever you're with today, we're going to be doing just a little bit of fun stuff today. But before we get started, and because I want you guys to do a little bit of practice with the chat, because maybe not everyone's used to using the chat box. So the chat box, okay, so my first question, this is just practice. I want you to guess or to let's see, kind of give me your ideas. So when we do something today, I'm going to ask you, like, what do you think? And then I'm going to point here. Then I want you guys to go onto your computer and be like, So I want you to write your ideas, basically. It's that simple, okay? So first question. So where does everyone think I'm from? My original hometown. So write in the chat box, please. Chat box.
Where is Ryan from?
Chat box. Okay, I see Ryan. Ryan might be from Ryan somewhere.
I see Hokkaido.
I see good luck. Tokyo. Nice. Okay.
I see Hawaii, America.
Okay.
Japan. Jamaica. Miami.
Miami is a nice place.
Yes. Canada.
Yeah. I see Milky says Hawaii. Haruka says Canada. America. Okay.
Samoa.
America's kind of big.
Nagoya.
Sarajevo. Okay, I see.
I see Philippines.
Nice. Philippines is good too. Nagoya.
New Zealand.
Has anyone here been to like Nagoya? It's a part of Japan as well. Where else do we have? We have Canada.
Yes, I see a lot of states.
Okay. Okay, perfect. Good. So, England. I see England. I've never got to England before. But yes, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I am from, I think I saw in the chat ears, I'm from Hawaii.
Hawaii. Some of them got it, right?
Yes. So, Hawaii is very tropical.
Yes.
Warm and hot. Everyone likes to go to the beach and relax.
Right.
They usually go there for like vacation, right? So that was my question to you. So another question real quick. I'd like to know, because I have how many classmates with you today online?
We have 262.
Perfect. So
right
we have
now.
over 200 other people in maybe some different continent of the world. I know most of you, I think, are in Japan, but I'd like to know a question. So where is everyone watching from today?
Where are you guys
So
right
where
now?
are you guys watching from today? So go and put in like, I'm from Tokyo, or I'm from Miami, I'm from England, or okay, good.
I
so in
got
the chat here,
Japan,
space,
Yokohama,
Yokohama, LA, Russia.
Nice.
Welcome.
Welcome
From Russia. Yes. Mio, Tokyo, Aka. Yes. I'm in Mexico. Welcome from Mexico. Thank you very much. Singapore. Okay. California. Some in Chiba. In Florida. Hi from Japan to Florida. Welcome, welcome. I'm in studio. Okay, good. I'm in a
Yes.
studio as
Yes,
well.
he's in the
okay,
studio.
good, good. Shizuoka, nice. Yamanashi, okay. Osaka, Ohio. Ohio, Ohio.
Welcome, welcome.
So I would say maybe good evening because Ohio is kind of far out there, right? Okay. I see Musashi Sakai. Okay, maybe close, maybe close to here, guys. If you guys don't know, Musashi Sakai is really close to here. Like I could walk. Like 10 minutes and get
Nice,
there.
I see Gunma.
Tochigi, space. I like space. Space.
Someone's from space.
So maybe you're like the first space traveler. Excellent, excellent, good. Okay. Yes, very close. Okay, very close is good. And Kamakura. So, all you guys know that there's a lot of like Japanese names and places here, and I'd like to welcome all of you guys today. What we're gonna be doing today is, of course, it's going to be a little bit interactive, and I can't see if all of you guys are actually doing something. But one thing that I would like you to prepare is something to write with, or what I have is my handy whiteboard.
A whiteboard.
Is it a whiteboard? It's a
Or?
whiteboard. A whiteboard and a pen, because we're going to use it to kind of write some stuff, okay? So that's what we're going to do, okay?
Yes.
So just want to make sure you guys have time to kind of get this ready. Or if you don't have this, paper and pen or pencil will be perfectly fine.
So whiteboard or paper to write on. Yes.
Yes. Okay. So when you guys are all ready, you guys can put in the chat like ready or ready to go.
Are you guys
or
ready?
yes, ready to do it kind of thing, okay? Okay, I see okay. So I'm thinking everyone's good. Okay. White handy board and pen, everyone, so you guys can all write everything. Okay? Okay. Good. From Hiroshima, okay. Okay, great. So, question, everyone. So just real quick. So I want to ask you a question. Is everybody ready?
Are you ready?
Maybe not.
I see. Okay. Okay. I am ready.
It's a little
yes,
early, so
ready.
we're going to do it again, okay? So now, if the volume's a little bit high in your house, it's going to get a little bit louder. Okay? So, question. So, everyone, on the count of 3, I want you all to like just pump the screen like this, okay? So, ready? So,
All right.
are you ready? Yay! Okay, hopefully you didn't wake up the neighbors. But today, we are going to talk about the lovely topic of, as you can see behind me, mathematics. Okay? So,
Mathematics.
of course, here, most of you, I think, can read Japanese. I see a lot of Japanese names there, and it says, yeah. So I'm very happy that you guys are excited to see. But today, we're going to talk just a little bit about mathematics, talk about the history. All of you know, and I know, that math maybe not the most interesting topic, I think.
Yes.
But from today, I know, as it says here, that we use in Japanese some word that you say like. So you will like math after today's lesson, okay?
Are you sure?
I know, some doubts on your face. You're like, what? I woke up early this morning to watch this? But, quick question, okay, guys? My question is, what do you guys think is actually math's biggest invention?
Math biggest invention.
Math's
do you guys
biggest invention. Ah, yes. Okay. I see the chat has stopped. So, I know a lot of you are like looking at the screen like, I don't
what
know.
would it be?
If you don't know, write it in the chat. Write it in the chat box.
Write it.
in the chat box. Like,
Write it.
I don't know. I see. Wow, good. So maybe sometimes you think an invention is something like this.
That's
Like some type of math and some type of formulas, for example. Okay? Or maybe everyone knows what this is, yeah?
what is that? A computer?
Use this to like, you punch numbers on it. Like punch numbers. Like, how much is 1 + 1?
It's a calculator.
Yes, good. Perfect. Math. Yes, good. I see a lot of people writing in the chat. Good. And other things we also see is like this lovely, going up to the top here is, yes, we know it's a graph. But believe it or not, one of the most amazing things that we have for mathematics is simply Numbers.
Numbers. Just numbers?
Just numbers. Numbers. Yes, numbers 1, 2, 3. Yes, I do like that. You guys wrote that in for me. Yes, very easy to read. So, numbers. Numbers has like, you know, a lot of history. And when we go back into history, we find that this place here, all of you guys have been to this type of place before, yes?
This type of place. Like forests.
Yeah. So this is like the forest. There's like nothing, and here you guys can't find like any of these like cool tech devices, right? Like an iPhone, or I think many of you are looking at a computer today, right? So you will definitely not find something like that here. So I asked the people of history, you know, what did you guys do back then? They said they went to the Stone Age. They went to go and, you know, go and fight. Sometimes they had to go and get dinner, for example. So
hunting.
These people, my friends, Jim, Jack, and Jacob here, yeah,
Jim, Jack, and Jake.
They went hunting. So hunting for, yes, and all of you know it's dinner.
Hunting for dinner. Yum.
Dinner. Yum, 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 yum. So when they came back, they, you know, the wife asked, they're like, so how many have you got? And he was like, well, so much like many of you back in history, right? There was no type of system to, what is it, guys? To, yes, count. Perfect. So this, what they did here, they actually had like a very interesting type of counting system. What they did is, you know, I asked them, so how do you guys actually count stuff? So this is what they showed me. And this is it. So we have the animals going out and out and out and bye, and they'll see you in the afternoon. See you again, okay? And when it comes to about dinner time, when everyone knows, they're like, welcome back, and welcome back, and welcome back, and nice to see you again, and hello again. So, did everyone see what they used?
What they used?
Yes. Did everyone see like what they used to like?
Yes, I see Sato with a rock.
Good. I see rocks. Good.
Yes.
Good, rocks. I see stones.
Stones, yes. Rock, stones.
Perfect.
Rock.
Yes,
rock,
I see a lot of good rock stones. And you guys are absolutely correct because you got it right, and it is stones.
Stones.
Yes, stones. So, people of history did not only use stones for this, but they also used these other objects as well. They used this here, bones, and then they also use like these branches over here. You know that it's very simple to use, right? But let's say, guys, okay? Let's say you're sitting in front of your computer and you have like 5,000 things to count, okay? And you're in this civilization, okay, guys? You guys have to count 5,000 things. So you have to have, first thing, you have to have 5,000 stones, lay it down on the table, then you gotta go and count it. And then I come by, and then I just like, for some reason, just push it over. Then you guys have to start all over again.
That's terrible.
So, this system here is lovely called is a 1-for-1 system. Yes.
1-for-1 system.
Yes, one in and one out. But to talk a little bit more about that, we also are going to visit the lovely ancient people here. And does anyone know what country these lovely people are from?
Where they are from? Chat box. Chat time.
So guys, I'm in a room of like 2 people, so no one here can actually actually answer for me because we all know what it says.
Egypt.
So all of you guys good. China. Good. China.
China, Egypt.
Egypt, perfect. Good. So on our first adventure, we're gonna actually visit this lovely location here. Does everyone know what this is? Yes? No? I don't know. Okay.
I see India.
India, good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna visit this place here, where there's a lot of ancient people, and we are going to visit the first place of There it is. Mesopotamia.
Mesopotamia.
Yeah, Mesopotamia. Okay? Egypt. Good. Good. So we're going to visit space Mesopotamia, and we're going to see kind of what system they wrote. And this was a very easy and simple system that they did.
So that's
Simple.
a symbol.
Really simple, right? Simple, simple, simple. I see a lot of exchange faces like, or like,
That's like bunch of
oh,
lines.
I've never seen that before. But this is what I asked them to say. And this is like another thing that you probably understand. This is like a different language that they speak. It's like everyone kind of think what they're speaking, like, yeah? Egypt,
Yes.
good. So here, these people wrote this type of system here, and if you pay attention, that this is very important. So we're going to go to lovely Mesopotamia here to visit the Sumerian people, because they would say invented a very simple, very simple number system, and this here is their number 1.
What?
Okay.
That's a 1.
I see. What is that? I think they are numbers. Okay, this is number 1, and all of you guys know that it looks like an upside down. You said it, upside down.
Oh.
A. So
yes.
you guys know number 1. What about number 2?
Number 2 would be So
Number 2
one
looks like a
is upside down A.
and
So-
number 2 is like a sideways looking B.
Oh yeah, that would make sense.
Okay.
Yes.
So simply, if you think about this, this is 1, this is 2. So what we do is number 3 is possibly
That's
something like
easy.
this, and this is the number the Sumerians came.
I see what. So what?
Yes. Who got it right? Who got it right? Yes.
Wait, that's a bunch
Upside
of
down A.
A's?
Exact. C. Yes. So
What?
this is number count. This is the camera. So this is number 1. This is a 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Back over here we have 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, and
Wait.
10.
Sideways A.
A sideways A. Yes, all of you think, sideways A. Doesn't make sense. Yes, I know it doesn't make sense, but maybe the Sumerian people thought about, maybe we'll think of numbers, but then we'll just make this 10 because I got sleepy, decided to write it sideways, and then we have this. Excellent. But you can
lazy
all
A.
read it because you are all geniuses. So you know that the number here is 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Yes. Okay. So since all of you know the numbers here, okay, we're gonna try a little bit of practice, and we're gonna see if we can figure out this together. Yes. Okay.
All right.
So this number here is
So we count the tens first.
yes.
Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we count the ones.
So 5, and you count the 1. So this
I
of
see a
course,
lot of 59s on the chat. 59,
right. 59s. Everyone got 59s. Good. Yes.
I see 100. I see 13. 59, 59,
Good.
59.
Good.
500.
Good. So you guys all have 59, right? So very good. And what I want you guys to do is kind of get your thing to write with here.
All right.
And we're going to actually try to write it.
Write the 59.
Yeah, we're going to try to write this, okay, guys?
Alright.
So here it comes. On the next
Ready?
page, we'll give you 3 seconds to get ready. 3, 2, 1, and let's start writing it. Okay, time up.
This
Time
is
up. Time up.
terrible. Wait.
Time up. You guys got this? I got this. This is what I wrote.
You got none there. Ryan.
So my lovely assistants today, I didn't introduce him today. So Uraha and Kaito, they didn't give me a pen. So I just imagined. I was
I'm
like,
sorry, okay? I'm sorry.
so a little bit difficult, a little bit easy, yes. Okay, so you know this is 59. If we add 1 to 59, okay, this will give us
Yes, a 60.
60. Good, 60. Okay, so we get 60 here. Okay, and this is lovely as 60 as it is, right? I have nothing to write with me. Please get something to write with, okay, guys? So we have 60, okay? And this is 60. But the Sumerian people not only thought about this, they thought about a so intuitive system that they made 60 to look like this.
What? Wait, Ryan, you're wrong.
Wait.
That's supposed to be a 1.
One. Okay, so he was at 100. Thank you, 100. This is 60, folks. This is 60, okay? And if we add another one here, that's 60 and 1.
But that's
So
exactly the same.
Exactly the same. Yes, I know. 1. You know, you can't read it. It's just like I give up. But if you try another situation here, so we have 60 to the right of me, and then we have 9 here. You know this is 69.
9.
Yes, good. Okay, and if we're gonna add another, we're gonna do a little bit more difficult work here. Add it here.
Okay. So there's
Easy enough.
There's a
You have
what?
60.
Okay, 60.
And I hear 10.
So that's separate, okay?
And 9 here. Okay, good. I see some people wrote 69 in the chat. Very good.
I see 69, 79.
69?
I see 89.
89. Good.
I see 619.
So the answer is 79.
79.
79. Good. Okay,
Woo.
good.
Great job.
As we move along here,
Okay,
guys,
there's more.
okay, we have more. So we're going to add 1.
Yes, so add 1. That becomes a 10.
That was a 10.
And then that becomes a 60.
Kind of move through that a little bit quick. You guys want to see that again?
Yes, let me look at that again.
So again, this is 60. This is 50. This is 9,
Okay, so add all of them.
which gives you
Oh, wait, that's a big number.
95, 76, 23. So hard. Yes.
Yes, this is
so
this
hard.
is getting too
Me
hard.
too. Me too, Fee. So real quick, give you guys an answer. This is 60 plus 50 plus 9, which is 119.
Yes, Una-chan got it,
Good.
right?
But if we add 1 to that, it gets you 120.
20.
Good.
Okay.
So 120 looks like this.
Add 1, that's a 10 again.
And it's gonna come
And
over
then
again.
10 comes and that's a 60.
And this is 120.
What? Again? Yes, that was supposed to be a 2.
Maybe this might be 2, but guys, this is 120. And what we like to do here, we like to be a little bit
No,
excited.
no.
You know, kind of excited and expressed. So this is pretty yabai.
Yabai.
So this number, guys, this is 60, right? So they use 60, 120.
What does yabai mean?
Yabai means yabai. If all of you, some people are in Ohio, I see there. So we use this Japanese word right above my head. This is like a oh my god, or like unbelievable.
Okay, so when
Like,
you're
unbelievable.
surprised about something,
Yes. Oh
we
my
use
god. yes.
yabai, okay?
Yes, it does.
Alright.
It does. So, for this system here, the Sumerian people came up with this lovely system of base 60.
Base 60.
Everyone know what base 60 is?
Who knows what a base 60 is?
Maybe no, maybe no, maybe no. So base 60 is simply when you woke up this morning, you guys all looked at something like this.
A clock?
A clock, right? So we have 60 seconds, right? We also have 60 minutes. So we use this base 60 like every day. So yes, so like a clock, basically, like you guys put there.
Oh.
Yes, I say oh no and nope and yabai. Yes, thank
I
you
see
for
the yabais.
So yeah, this system is very important because it helps us because it's a base 60 system. So
Yes.
okay, everyone ready? You guys all ready for the next part here? So
Would it be a little simpler?
It'll probably be a little bit simpler.
All
And
right,
since you guys are all
let's
ready,
go.
okay, what we're going to do next is my favorite part and probably your favorite part as well. So we're going to jump to a quiz time!
Quiz time!
Yay. Good. So, quiz time. All of you guys have your whiteboards handy. I don't have my pen yet from my lovely folks here, but don't worry about it because I know you guys have yours. What we're going to do is gonna give you a little bit prep time for Are You Ready? Make sure you guys have all your stuff. And my God, my ear, yes. If your
Yes,
volume's
yes.
a little bit high, turn it down because it's probably gonna get, that's the loudest it gets, okay? It might
Okay.
get louder as you guys write more, okay? So, are you ready? We're gonna get ready for the first question, and here it is, and boom. What number is this, guys?
Ryan, that's so easy.
In the chat. Fill it in the chat, all the way on the far side. I can see it when you guys write in the chat, okay? Ready?
Okay, I see nine.
Okay, good. Excellent, good. So yes, question number 1, easy, simple. It is number 9. We're gonna make it a little bit more difficult. Question number 2, hope you guys are ready. If you're not, too bad. This question 9 here is
Okay.
number 2.
So that's a sideways A.
Yes, sideways A.
So
You guys remember
okay, there's
numbers?
15, 15, 15, 15.
Okay, so y'all guys put it in.
I see
Okay,
65
put it in
there,
as
too.
quick as you can, because if you don't, I'm gonna not see it. So 15, yes, excellent job, yay! Good. Okay.
Easy.
Moving on to the next question here. Number 3 is give you guys about 5 seconds for
1, 2, 3,
3, 2, and 1. Yes, all of you guys have
Easy.
kind of started writing it in the
Yes.
chat. I'll give some of you a little bit less time, a little bit more time,
39,
maybe, to
39,
put it in.
39, 39,
And-
39.
Okay. You guys writing it in too much. Yes, and all of you know it is lovely. 39, 39. Okay,
Easy peasy.
easy. A little bit difficult here. Question number 4 here, guys.
Okay. This
guys
gets a little difficult.
Know all of this here. Yes.
What was
Give you
that?
5, 4.
So it's supposed to be a clock. So
2, and it doesn't make it easier when I'm blocking everything.
I see 139. I see 399.
Good.
9.
Experts as you all are, you know the answer
I
is
see 130. Oh, what?
99.
99.
Okay. So since all of you are fantastic and wonderful, we're going to leave our Sumerian people and we're going to take a little trip to the lovely, maybe possibly neighboring country, which all of you should know, okay, is right next door, neighboring to my friend, Catherine the Camel.
Catherine the Camel.
So Catherine here, as hot as it is, maybe hotter than Hawaii, it's in the desert. So we have Catherine here.
Where
She
would
says,
this be?
she says, yo. Right? She's not saying yo to me though. She's saying yo to her other friend here.
Where would Catherine be from?
So this guy, do you guys know where this is here? I have this thing. Big hint to the back.
Oh, is that a... Okay. I think I know where this
Yes.
is.
Okay,
but
I
let
see.
me
I
wait for
don't know if it's a
chats.
happy face or it looks like a duck.
Where do you guys... This is... Okay, I got Egypt from Taka-chan.
Okay.
I see Iraq from...
Okay. Hi, Kathy. Thank you.
Sato.
Yes. I see yo. Good. So, guys, one thing. So when I look down here, I have a chat thing right here, so I can see all what you guys
Germany.
write.
I see Egypt pyramid. Yes. the
And
one
Uraha's
in the
helping me
back
reading it off.
is
Okay.
pyramid.
Guys, so yes, all of you have it right, which we are going to visit. Lovely. Egypt.
Woo!
Yay.
Finally, yes.
Okay. That was a little bit. Okay. So, Egypt, maybe we're not too happy about Egypt, right? But the Egypt people came up with this very, very, very simple system, not like the Sumerian people of
Oh,
simple.
that's a 1.
Very simple.
Yes.
They came up with this, right? And they also came up with this whole writing system laid out here.
Okay.
Yes. So they came on number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 down here, back down 6, 7, 8, 9. And when it comes down to like the Sumerian people,
10.
like what is this? It's like like a bridge.
Like a mountain.
Some people said it was a mountain or a bridge in like the last lesson, right? Mm-hmm. And what we do here is, you know, you can count this here. This is 11, 12, 20, 5.
What? What? Go back.
11, 12, 13, 15.
No. Go back.
So simple numbers, right? You guys know this is 11 to 15. Good to
Yes.
read, right? But the Egyptian people were very kind of, they would say like, they were like artists. Like a Picasso, for example. And they came up with the bigger numbers and they counted it like this. A tree, a finger, a thing, an insect,
Woohoo!
and
Yoo-hoo!
woohoo! For like a million, guys. This is like a million. Who's seen this before? Yes? No.
No.
Who has never seen this before?
Me.
Good. So, me too. The Egyptian people were so. I see yoga. Okay.
I see
Well,
yoga.
we're gonna use yoga. Okay. Easy.
The
easy,
yoga guy.
Easy. Okay. Easy. Forever to write. Yes. Maybe we're gonna write it. I don't know. Maybe. But what we do here is we're gonna try to write this lovely number here. 2,131,219. Yes. Okay. And this number is represented simply like this. Add a little bit more. Add a little bit more.
So there's a 9, 1, and then 2.
And I'm gonna send my
1.
friend over here.
Another yoo-hoos.
Yes, 2,131,219, folks. This is the numbers that the lovely Egyptian people came up for us. Easy.
Yabai. I see the yabais in the chat.
Okay, yeah, you
It
can
is
fill up the chat
yabai.
with yes. So.
You gotta be an artist.
Maybe easy, maybe not too easy, right, guys? So you guys are thinking, I don't know how I'm going to write this. Yes, so.
Yes.
But with no further ado, folks, we are going to, yes, you guessed it, we are going to write it in our next quiz time! Yay! All of my 1,000 people in this room are all excited about doing this. And the question is, are you ready? And you, bye, and oh my God, fingernails scratching the yoga pads. Yes, excellent. Good. So, are you ready? We are gonna get to the first question. Here we are. Question number 1. Here you are. Yes.
Wait, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then. Okay.
There's a little bit of a lag time here, guys.
Okay, I got it.
Okay.
Let me wait for
Everyone
the
got
chats.
it? You guys,
99.
Yes, some of you may be just
99.
getting in late. You guys want to make sure you guys put it in that chat box there.
99,
Chat box. You're going to fill it up,
99.
fill up my screen so that I know
99,
that you guys are kind of
99.
thinking about it and writing on it because I
I see
can't see your
98.
whiteboard. So the answer is yes, you guessed it.
55,
Number
44.
is 99. Perfect. Good.
99.
Excellent. Good. Yay.
99.
Yay. Good. Question number 2, guys. Next. Moving on quickly. Here it is.
Wait, okay. So what was that thing for?
Hopefully you all remember what it is, yeah?
What was that?
See, some of you guys got it right. Good.
What is
I see
was
some
that
woos.
100?
Numbers. I see question marks.
See
I see some people may not have got it right. So, guys,
333.
question number 2. Answer is, again, and you all guessed it right. Thank you very much. Oh, my goodness. Was that a little bit loud or what?
Correct.
Was that loud, guys? I know some of you are like sleepy. You're like, oh, why is it so? And this, I gotta do math with this teacher Ryan from like wherever he's from. So 333, guys. Good. And question number 3 here. Hopefully you guys adjusted your volume. Next question is ending in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1.5.
There's
0.5.
flowers.
We'll give you a little bit chat. Yes. Okay. A little bit bigger number. I should give you guys a little bit more time,
seeing
folks.
the
Yes.
numbers.
Yeah.
4,321.
Good. Fill that up a little bit more, guys. So we have the number. Yes, you guessed it all right. Congratulations, 4,321, guys. Yay!
Easy, Ryan. Easy.
Woo. Easy. Number 4, guys. Okay. Oh my goodness. I know you guys. We just did this really quickly, but this was.
Okay. So finger was. This is getting kind of difficult now.
Right.
Oh, but I got 1.
Okay, I thought it was someone's name, but it says Mamma Mia. Okay. Good.
I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good.
1, 2,
Okay,
3, 4,
I see
5.
someone put just a Japanese character for me, guys. I can't really read that much Japanese, but if you guys put a number in for me, yes. Since you are all fantastic, excellent. 12,345. Yay! Yes. On to the most easiest question, guys. Easiest question here. Question number 5 is.
Wait, wow, Ryan, you never told me you're gonna do this.
I was never going to tell you from the beginning or show you this at all.
Addition now, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So the flower was.
I'm going to give you a hint because I'm just the greatest teacher as always. Don't forget this plus sign here, folks.
Yes,
Okay,
so
we're going to end in maybe 5, 4, 3. I'm sure there's a time lag
Ayako giving
here.
up. She's
Okay,
saying
I think
1
I see some of you guys. I think some of you guys are cheating and kind of like telling each other what it is. Okay, so question number 5, your answer should look like this. Who wrote this?
Ryan.
Just me. Answer here is
So what's the number?
Here it comes. 22,320. Who got that?
Okay, I see like half of them getting it
Yes.
right. But
So
I
if
think
you
it was
got it
really
right,
difficult this
you
time.
guys can go put in. You can put anything you want to do. You can do the yes. You can put like yabai. You can put like yabai,
So
like
you can
tons
say
of yabais.
yabai, or you can
Okay?
also say Ryan is mean, and that's fine too.
The other thing, yes, you can say that. I mean, but the Egyptian people, right? This was their, you would say like their yabai method. Okay.
Yes.
They came
have
up
the
with
yabai
this
method.
lovely counting system, and it was a little bit more difficult than we would like it to be, right? So we're gonna forget about the Egyptian people. We're gonna go visit like some other place across the ocean, and we're gonna take our boat traveling. But before that, when you think about this, folks, right? You're like, oh, where's Ryan gonna take us again? You're like, oh no, oh no, where's he gonna take us this time? Maybe he's gonna take us somewhere where it's like easier.
Hopefully.
Maybe. So, onto our boat. We're gonna travel across from the Indian Ocean all the way to the Pacific Ocean. We're gonna be traveling all the way to this lovely place, which all of you know and have seen before. Yes?
Have I?
Maybe Hawaii. Hawaii? Hokela. No. Maybe not Hawaii. Oh please no. Okay.
I see a lot of
yes.
oh no.
I like
no.
please. You guys are like oh no. Maybe it's Hawaii. I don't know.
Where do you
But
think this is?
we can also
Greece?
see places like this here. Maybe it's missing a roof. Maybe like a hurricane like blew it over. Like.
Where is this? I see a lot. Akayan gave me Maya.
Ah, I see. Okay.
EK also gave me
Okay,
Maya.
is it a famous place? Could be famous. I like Greek though. I like
Greece,
that.
yes.
But a little bigger hint here, as you can see this here, this lovely civilization of the Mayan people. Is this? It's great, shiny, for example. Yes, and I know some of you guessed it here, and that is right behind me. Maya.
It's Maya.
Okay. So Maya was a nice place because they came up with like easy, like really easy, like easy numbers, like easy, like unbelievably easy. So when I asked them, hey guys, hey Mayan people, can you guys figure out like a number 1 for me? They're like, okay. So they came out with something like this.
What? that looks like a.
I see somebody looking at the camera. You're like, maybe I have no idea.
Yes, like that's a 1.
Yes, so that was a 1. So what it looks like here, guys. Okay. So this is here. We have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, you counted it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next. Yes. You guys all got it right. Yeah, you got it right.
Wait.
Practice number 1. You don't need your boards ready, but
You're
this number here
Ryan.
is
Okay. They
Who
all look the
remembers
same.
what number this is? Impossible. Yes, as you wrote it, Ava. I think Ava said impossible. Okay. Very
Let's
artistic
guess,
numbers.
guess.
Good. I like that very much. Uncool. Okay, I see. Uncool Gamer has some numbers
I
up there.
think
Yes.
that was a
This number
5.
is, you all guessed it, number 3. Perfect. Good.
Ryan,
And since you all know it, yes,
wait.
question number 2. Here we go.
That was
Yes,
maybe like
yes.
8.
You guys
8?
all got it. Chat box right behind me in the chat
I
box.
see
You guys
10,
writing it. I see 10.
7,
Good.
5.
Aha.
I see 2,
Can't do
10,
it. You
5,
guys should try and write it.
7.
Try and write it. Yeah.
I see a lot
Good.
of 7s
Question
too.
here. Answer
6.
is. Who got 7? Who didn't get 7? 2.
Ryan, we are so upset.
So I'm gonna be just a little bit nicer to you guys, and I'm gonna give you this again.
Okay, good. Okay.
So
Guys,
this is our lovely
remember
number
it.
system, and this is what we're doing. Give you this system, and you guys all know the numbers, yes?
Wait, so
Basically, kind of know these numbers.
number 1
kind of
with the
imagine and know what
AirPods.
it is, yes. But we are also going to do, since you guys have all remember this, we're going to do a quick and very simple and easy, artistic, no, yes, but it's going to be a quiz time! Yay! Yes! So, you guys, are you guys ready? If you guys have your
Are we?
whiteboard ready, hopefully, yes? Okay. So,
Are we ready?
are you ready, guys? Have your things ready. The question number 1 is coming up really quick, okay? And question number 1 here, guys, this here.
Okay. A man with a black teeth. I feel
Chat box,
like
quickly
that
in the
was
chat
like
box.
in the ones,
Chat box,
like, in
yes,
the back.
yes, good. Ah, okay, I see some good numbers. I see 7, 10, yes, maybe this could be yabai.
I see
Not
a lot of
exactly
10,
sure.
10, 10.
Good. So, question number 1, the
Yes.
answer is
10, 10,
none
10,
other than
10, 10.
10. Congratulations, good, yay!
Good job.
Whoever got 10, yes, high five on the street, high five on
This
the
is
street.
pretty yabai,
Good.
yes.
Yes. Question number 2 here. We did this. This was the.
Oh, guys, this is the AirPod.
Yes.
Guys.
Just all of you know this is the first number. Yeah. You guys all got. Okay. Okay. A little bit
Yes,
too
I
easy.
see it.
Yes.
One,
okay. A lot of yabais coming in. Thank you. Thank you everyone for the yabais. Good. Yes. You know that. Question number 2. The answer is yes. None other than 1.
1. Nice. 1 with
Question
the
number
AirPods.
3. Moving
yes.
quickly along. This here is, which all of you know, is number.
I see.
We're
Tens
gonna wait
and
a little bit
2.
longer. 3, 2, 1 here. Question number 3 is number 2.
2.
Aha, 2.
Good job, guys.
Everyone good? Yes. Urha said you guys are doing a good job. Okay. Question number 4 here. Yes, we have this gentleman here, and he is kind of maybe sleepy, writing something here. Maybe not exactly sure what he's doing. Do you guys anyone know the answer here? Good.
Shaving.
Aha.
I see.
Okay. I see some
2,
booing
9,
going on for
7.
me. Thank you very much.
Ryan's being pretty mean. Yes.
Oh. Question number
I
4.
feel you.
Here's the answer. 9. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. Last but not least, we have question number 5 here coming up here. Guys, this is what we have here. Aha.
I think that was on the upper side.
Aha.
Maybe like a 4 or
Okay. Yeah,
I
well,
see a lot
maybe
of
yes.
3s.
Okay.
And I see M.
And right here we have the answer, which you guys are all geniuses because I'm just the greatest teacher like ever. 5.
Yabai. This is a
Okay.
yabai.
Good job for all of you got it right, okay? And we're going to look again at the lovely counting system that the Mayan people did. And this is their system that they came up with. So the Mayan people, of course, maybe a little bit difficult for you guys, right? I know it. Hopefully you guys will know it sometime soon. And then we can, compete with each other. But the Mayan people came with this lovely counting system, right? And we're all happy because it all developed into a... No. We're not done yet, folks. We are not done yet. From the Mayan people, we're going all the way across. Just a quick trip all the way to China. Okay? And I have a lovely friend in the room who knows a little bit about China. He does speak Chinese to me
China?
sometimes when he is here. I don't understand anything at all, folks. But this here we have is our numbly simple number 1.
I've seen this before.
Yeah, seen it before. Kind of easy, right? So the Chinese people came up with this lovely system here of 1, and it came like this, simple. So you can all read it, right?
Yes.
5 all the way down to
marks.
6, 7, 8, 9, and you guys know this is 10.
Yes.
Good.
Pretty
and you guys
simple.
all know the numbers down here. So the Chinese people made something a little bit more simple, right? And the system they came up with here was this counting system. Yeah. So it had like red and black blocks, for example, and they used to count these. So these are
They
actually
use
bamboo
blocks.
rods, guys. So they would use these and they would lay it down on the table to kind of count things.
Okay.
So simple enough system. And guys, for the Chinese people, we're gonna do this system here, and that's what they came up with. What's this?
But yeah, that's still like tiring to write, I guess.
Yes. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good example. Okay? So that's what Chinese people came up with. And we're very thankful for that. But not only we're going to visit China, but we're also going to go to this wonderful place here that you guys all know, which is...
A gold,
Who has like one of these in their house? Me?
someone has this in their house?
I have one. I have one.
Really?
Yes,
Are
I have
you
one.
sure?
Take a quicker look here.
Is that a dragon? What?
Could be a dragon. I see me's. Okay.
Yes, Rudy's like God.
The next time we meet, you can show me this gold,
Everyone's
maybe this
saying
gold
me now,
elephant,
so
for
that's
example.
you.
Or all of you know that this next place that we're actually going to visit is very
pig.
popular for this famous dish, which is
Is that a Thai food?
a Thai food. So if
I
you
don't
ever
know.
dragon looking good, yes,
What
this
is
is
that?
actually lovely Indian food because we are visiting India.
Oh, so that was an Indian curry.
Yes, India, guys. India. So that's
Oh.
Indian curry.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Indian curry, yes. Oh, it looks so good. Yes, I know.
Okay.
Curry, good. So in India, we're going to visit this place here. And the Indian people came up with this lovely,
Ooh,
simple
looks
system
good,
of,
yes. Oh,
this is their number 1.
a simple line. Yes.
So the Indian people not only came up with this number 1, but they also came up with this here. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They came up with this type of number system. So it
Guys,
is looking like a little bit easier
that
than what we
looks
did
really
before,
close
right?
to ours.
Because
Yes.
what we did do before was something like this, right, guys? So this is like the Sumerian people, Egyptian people, the Mayan people, and the Chinese people, and then here down here the Indian people, right? So they wrote this type of system, and it kind of evolved into what we can kind of see is looking like something like this.
I like it. I actually like
Uh-huh.
this.
It's changing a little bit.
Oh, I
Changing
found
a little
4
bit.
there. I see 5 there. 9 and then
And you kind of see how like the numbers change and it's come to something like what we see today, right? Yes?
Yes.
Yes?
yes.
Okay. Good. So, again, when we take a look at the numbers again, we see that it is kind of, something that we see before and everything that we kind of see that evolves, which kind of comes to something like this, right, guys? Something like this. So we have this system and it evolves,
Yes, it changed over
into change,
time,
right?
yes.
And you guys saw a little bit from the slide before that at the end we have
A circle.
a circle.
Oh, it's a 0.
Maybe some people did get it right. Not exactly sure, but we'll look further into it because this was their form, which eventually evolved into this 0.
A 0.
The Indian people found that this had like a special meaning, guys. Like a very, very special meaning.
For 0.
Yes. And this special meaning, guys, wasn't just, very, just anything out of the ordinary. But the question is, so why did they like create this 0? So they created this 0, guys, so that it could kind of help to count with other numbers. So basically, when they came up with this 0, 1, 2, and 3, okay, they found out that this 0 was also a place where it could also represent like a vacancy.
It represents a vacancy.
Vacancy. Everyone know what vacancy is?
That's a big word.
Big word, big word, big word.
Vacancy.
So we'll go and look a little bit more and see kind of what it looks like here. When you put the numbers here, we have like 100, 210, 305, right? Yeah? Everyone with me?
Yes.
I hope you're not thinking about curry from the last picture. But
I'm
the
hungry,
vacant spot
yes.
here, guys, here is 100. So we have 100, 10s, and 1 spots here.
Oh, so the open spots.
Right.
Yes.
So when it comes up to it, guys, amazingly, we have a vacant spot, and we have another vacant spot. And they fill that
Okay.
up with a 0. So if we go
I
and
see.
take that 0 and we put this here, does everyone know how much this is? This is simple, right? 35.
Yes.
35, right?
Mm.
So 35 has an open spot here, so we think it's like 35. Yeah. So with not only this 35, it can also be like a bigger number, and this 35 comes like to 3005, 30,005.
Oh.
So this 0 is like, oh, maybe it does have some importance, right?
Yes.
So with all of its importance, we have all these numbers. With the 0, it can represent like all numbers. Guys, all
wait.
numbers.
So
all
that
numbers.
means that we
Yes.
no longer have to make like a new symbol just for tens, hundreds, and thousands, right?
Exactly. All you guys are thinking like, oh, okay, yeah, easy, simple. Yes.
Okay. I like it.
Yes. Make sure you don't write your phone number on there, okay? Okay? Can all represent all numbers. No phone numbers, guys. I don't need your phone numbers here, okay?
That's gonna make us
the
make
whole
them want to
world
do it.
can
Yes.
see. The whole world can see. But from all these numbers being represented, it's very important because we came over to the Greece people and all the Greek people. They're like, we're trying to think of numbers here, but the only thing that we can actually come up with was something like this.
Okay.
So these numbers were okay for the Greek people because they were able to read it. But people like
Yes.
you and me look at this like, I don't know what this is. So instead of the Greek people, I decided to also ask the Roman people. So I asked the Roman people what number they came up with here. So the Roman people were like, yeah, well, we came up with this system. And all of you should know that the Roman people came up with the Roman numbers, right? The Roman numerals.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we all had different numbers. Yes.
So the Greek people had different numbers. The Roman people had different numbers. And these numbers may be a little bit difficult to write. Maybe some people say yabai in the chat box. Some people put numbers. Yes. So they're like letters. So these letters is not really anything too easy to use, not like universal, right? And with this here, when the Indian people came up with the numbers, the Greek and the Roman people thought that it was so great. They were just simply amazed at it. Like amazing. Like amazing.
Thank you for the 0.
Yes, thank you for the 0. So they were like so happy, guys. They're like, oh my goodness. They came up with this like fantastic number things with all the 0. They're like, oh, this is fantastic.
Yes. Now we use same numbers all around the world. Yes.
So while these numbers are being used, right, folks, including the 0, this also helped us to also think of like simple, calculations like 300 plus 130. You guys all know. But if we did like the old time before, right, we have like the Egypt, Rome, and Japan here. Okay, guys, we're going to do a Japan example, okay?
Okay.
Okay? The Japan example here, guys, is none other than, it's not very simple, okay? So these are like Chinese characters, okay? Some of you that don't know, we're just going to breeze through this real quick. What this is, it has these numbers. It drops down like your addition. And then it's going to drop down here and another addition. But I asked my Japanese friends, guys, so is this like actually like right? They're like, it maybe could, but it's actually wrong.
Oh.
Like, we went all through that work and they made like a wrong thing. So the lovely 0, what we did before, we have this 300, 130, right? We do simple numbers, additions. We get a 0 down here.
Wow.
We do another thing here. We get a lovely 3. Yes, very simple. Then we go and get over here to this other spot. As the numbers disappear, we get 430. How
Guys,
simple.
No
Simple
wows.
and amazing, right? So as we take our trip back to history, we see that these lovely people did also kind of think of other ways to count. So back in Japan, they used this soroban, right, guys? So it's like a Japanese counting system. They would use this to count numbers. They would move these things like up and down, right?
It's like a calculator,
kind of like a calculator,
yes.
like a very like an ancient calculator.
Ancient calculator.
Like ancient calculator, guys, right?
Yes.
So, and the Chinese people here, right? They would do kind of lay things on on like the table with these bamboo rods, right? Like we explained before. And when we did go back to the European times, right? The European people came up with this system called the Abacus. They put these lovely rocks on the table to count.
Like a marble, yes.
This system, of course, was maybe it worked for them back then, but you know, with our lovely Indian people, when they came up and they just had one pencil, you know, they were able to think of a bunch of numbers. They were able to create numbers, and you know, when they invented, you know, the zeros, it was a lot easier for them to calculate things, like real easy.
That's true.
Right? So we are very happy that the Indian people came up with this, and my other friends too that I explained earlier thought that the Indian people were just geniuses. Geniuses, yes, geniuses. And they felt like it was such amazing. They just had to give like a round of applause.
And a round of applause.
Yes.
Woo! Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Thank you to the Indian people. Yes, yes. But geniuses, yes. But we're not stopping there, folks. We're going to take a short trip with these numbers that you guys already know how convenient it is to use, right? It goes from India, okay? It goes from India, guys, and it's going to take its trip all the way up from like the 14th century to the 16th century, makes its way all the way to this lovely area. I don't think there's anyone here today from this area today, but if you are, welcome, and we're very thankful. But in this area, as long, you know, as the numbers quickly evolved into this, right? It was like so amazing and simple that with these numbers, it helped for the breakthrough and the innovation, for the miracle of what we can actually communicate nowadays through YouTube, right? And we're so thankful for these lovely people. Copernicus, you guys know Kevlar, Galileo, Descartes, and Newton. Behind all of their findings and numbers, right, guys, they were able to, of course, use the numbers that are going to be right above my head. But they use them because it's the foundation of the science and the astronomy. We have philosophy. So they could put all of these thinkings into numbers like simply. Right?
Yes. So without numbers, we wouldn't have computers or iPhones or anything. Yes.
We're happy that they helped us with this here. And with that here, guys, we are very happy. So let's give the numbers, vintage numbers, a round of applause. Thank you, numbers. Yes. Okay. And I know as short as our time was this morning, and I'd like to thank all of you again. As soon as the effect goes out today, I would like to talk more about these people, but we're going to do this the next time. The next time. Maybe a little bit yabai, possibly. Yes, but
Yes,
I'd like to thank all of you for being here today, and I want to give you, from all of us here, a quick round of applause. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so quick announcement, guys, because we don't have anything here. But what we're gonna do is we actually have another thing tomorrow, same time. I don't know how you found it. Okay, so what we're doing is we have tomorrow, same time. Okay, on this YouTube. Okay, same time. And what a little request for me, okay, guys, is yes, yeah, bye, thank you, tomorrow. Yes, good. I want you guys to go and, well, you guys did a lot of chat box, right, today, and we have with the over 200 people here, okay? So I want you to tell your friend, because your friend's going to tell your friend, and your friend's going to tell your friend and friend again, okay?
Yes.
And you see that on your YouTube, there's like a, I don't know, some people, you have like a subscribe thing. So you just click that subscribe thing, and your notifications will come to you. They'll be like, oh, we have
Yes,
like,
for sure.
we have like a YouTube thing, 9 o'clock with Ryan tomorrow morning. I don't know what we're going to talk about, but I'm going to tell my friends, okay? Okay? Okay, good. So, again, thank you again, everybody. And we are going to see you tomorrow,
Yes.
bright and early in the morning in Japan here. Thank you, all of you guys, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for TANQ Gakusha.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Woo, woo, woo. Woo. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Thank